Welcome to your journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life. In today's fast-paced world, prioritizing wellness has never been more crucial. From managing stress to maintaining physical fitness, wellness is a vital part of our everyday lives. This video is your gateway to expert-driven advice that will empower you to make informed health decisions. Throughout this series, we'll introduce you to distinguished health professionals who have dedicated their lives to understanding and promoting wellness. They will share invaluable insights and practical tips to help you enhance your well-being. Whether you're looking to improve your diet, boost your mental health, or incorporate more exercise into your daily routine, our experts are here to guide you every step of the way. So sit back, relax, and prepare to transform your approach to health and wellness. As we embark on this informative and motivational journey together, remember that the path to wellness begins with a single step. Stay tuned as we introduce our team of health experts who will lead us through this exciting exploration of well-being. Let's dive in and meet the voices behind the advice. Welcome to our journey of health and wellness, where expert advice is your guiding light. Today, we introduce you to the remarkable individuals leading this exploration. Our experts bring years of hands-on experience in health and wellness, ensuring the insights shared are both credible and impactful. Meet Dr. Emily Thompson, a renowned nutritionist with over 2 decades dedicated to dietary health. Her expertise lies in translating complex nutritional science into practical advice for your daily routine. Joining her is Dr. James Carter, a leading fitness expert and physiologist. With a background in sports medicine, he offers invaluable knowledge on maintaining physical health through exercise. Lastly, we have Dr. Sarah Lee, a mental health specialist focusing on the connection between mental well-being and overall health. Her insights will guide you in nurturing both body and mind. Together, these experts form a powerhouse of knowledge, ready to dispel myths and share tips that can transform your health journey. Stay tuned as we delve into common misconceptions and unveil truths that empower you to live a healthier life. In the vast landscape of health and wellness, misconceptions abound, clouding our understanding and often leading us astray. Today, we confront these myths head-on with the help of our esteemed experts. From the notion that all fats are bad to the myth that more exercise is always better, these misconceptions can significantly impact our health decisions. Our experts, with years of dedicated experience, are here to illuminate the truth. They dissect each myth with precision, offering clarity and insight that only seasoned professionals can provide. You'll discover why not all carbohydrates are your enemy and learn the real impact of sleep on your well-being. By understanding these myths, you're empowered to make informed choices for a healthier life. Let's clear the fog and embrace the facts that will guide us towards genuine wellness. As we unravel these misconceptions, prepare to be enlightened by expert knowledge that challenges what you thought you knew. Stay tuned as we continue this journey with practical tips that integrate seamlessly into your daily routine. Get ready to transform myths into motivation and take control of your health story. Our journey into wellness begins with understanding the power of daily habits. These small, consistent actions lay the foundation for a healthier lifestyle. Imagine starting each day with a moment of gratitude, a simple practice that can shift your mindset and set a positive tone. Incorporating movement into your routine, like a brisk morning walk or stretching, invigorates both body and mind. Hydration is another key habit. Drinking water regularly boosts energy and enhances overall well-being. Experts emphasize the importance of mindful eating. By savoring each meal, you not only enjoy your food more, but also support better digestion. Establishing a regular sleep schedule is crucial as it aids recovery and improves mental clarity. These habits may seem simple, yet their impact on wellness is profound. As we explore these tips, remember that integrating them into your life can lead to lasting changes. In the next segment, we'll dive into nutrition insights from our experts, unveiling how balanced diets fuel our bodies for optimal performance. Stay tuned as we continue this enlightening journey to enhance your health and well-being. In the journey towards optimal wellness, nutrition stands as a cornerstone. Our experts emphasize that a balanced diet is not just a choice, but a crucial element of a healthy lifestyle. They recommend focusing on the principles of balance, variety, and moderation. Incorporating a wide range of nutrients ensures that your body receives the necessary fuel to function efficiently. Expert advice underscores the importance of whole foods, rich in essential vitamins and minerals, to support your overall health. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but about making informed choices that can be sustained over time. Our nutritionists suggest starting with small adjustments, like adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals or choosing whole grains over refined ones. These simple steps can lead to significant improvements in your well-being. As we unravel these expert insights, consider how you can enhance your nutrition to support your wellness journey. Up next, we'll delve into the essentials of exercise and fitness, exploring how physical activity complements a nutritious diet in fostering health. Stay tuned for more expert tips to guide your path to a healthier life. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining our health can often feel daunting. However, incorporating regular exercise into our routine can be a game changer. Exercise is not just about building muscles or losing weight, it's about enhancing our overall well-being. It boosts our mood, strengthens our heart, and improves our sleep patterns. Our experts recommend a balanced approach to fitness, focusing on both cardio and strength training. For those just starting, brisk walking or light jogging are excellent ways to elevate your heart rate. As you progress, consider adding resistance exercises to build muscle and improve endurance. Remember, consistency is key. Even short, daily workouts can lead to significant health benefits over time. It's not about perfection, but about making exercise a part of your lifestyle. So take the first step today, whether it's a walk around the block or a quick home workout. Next, we'll explore the importance of mental health in our wellness journey, providing insights on how to nurture your mind as well as your body. Stay tuned for more expert advice on achieving a balanced, healthy life. As we continue our journey through wellness, we arrive at a crucial component: mental health. Often overlooked, mental health is just as significant as physical health. In this segment, our esteemed experts delve into the profound impact mental health has on our daily lives and share invaluable insights on nurturing it. They emphasize that attending to our mental health can lead to improved focus, better relationships, and a greater sense of peace. From mindfulness practices to seeking professional help, our experts provide practical and accessible strategies to foster mental well-being. They remind us that it's okay to seek help and that taking small steps can make a big difference, whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply reaching out to a friend. These tips are designed to empower you to take charge of your mental health. By integrating these practices into your routine, you can enhance your overall wellness journey. Stay tuned as we explore the significance of sleep and recovery in our next segment and continue to build a comprehensive approach to health and wellness. Sleep is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in our health and well-being. It affects everything from mood to metabolism and even our immune system. In this segment, our experts delve into why quality sleep is vital. Research shows that adults need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. But how can you ensure you're getting the restful sleep your body craves? Our experts suggest creating a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation and consistency. Start by setting a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Additionally, consider your sleep environment. A cool, dark, and quiet room can significantly enhance sleep quality. Avoid screens before bed, as the blue light can interfere with your sleep cycle. Instead, try reading a book or practicing meditation to wind down. Lastly, pay attention to your diet. Limiting caffeine and heavy meals before bedtime can prevent sleep disturbances. By implementing these strategies, you can improve your sleep quality and, in turn, your overall health. With these insights, we hope you're inspired to prioritize sleep in your wellness journey. Up next, we'll recap all the expert tips to reinforce your path to better health. Let's recap the valuable tips shared by our experts throughout this video. We began by dispelling common health myths, setting the stage for informed wellness choices. Our journey continued with daily habits that effortlessly integrate into your routine, reinforcing the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Nutrition was highlighted next, where balanced diet principles were emphasized, offering insights into fueling your body right. Exercise and fitness essentials were explored, encouraging you to incorporate movement for physical and mental benefits. We then turned our focus to mental health, underlining its crucial role in overall well-being and providing strategies to nurture it. Lastly, the importance of quality sleep was underscored, with expert advice on enhancing your rest and recovery. By applying these expert insights, you can take practical steps towards a healthier you. Remember, these strategies are not just tips, but tools for transformation. Stay motivated and empowered as you embark on this journey to improved health and wellness. In our next segment, we invite you to take action and continue exploring more expert advice. Your wellness journey starts now, so make sure to subscribe and stay connected for more transformative content. You've just been equipped with expert insights designed to transform your wellness journey. From understanding the power of daily habits to recognizing the importance of sleep, each tip is a stepping stone towards a healthier you. Now, it's your turn to take action. Begin incorporating these tips into your daily life and witness the positive change unfold. Remember, wellness is a continuous journey, not a destination. To keep receiving valuable advice and stay updated with the latest in health and wellness, subscribe to our channel. Join our community of like-minded individuals dedicated to enhancing their well-being. We are here to support you every step of the way with more expert insights and practical tips. So, what are you waiting for? Begin your wellness journey today by hitting that subscribe button. Together, let's embark on a path to better health and vitality. Thank you for being part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you more content that empowers you to live your best life. Stay healthy, stay inspired, and remember, your wellness journey starts now.